Yo, what's good? It's your boy Big Bain in this thing. Hey, check this out before we jump into the awesomeness, right? Need y'all to check me out on all my social platforms. I'm pretty much on everything. Check me out on SoundCloud, Patreon, BeatStars, all the streaming services. My official website, forexwithbain.com. That's where you can join my Discord. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all right? Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm really finna get your ass the game, man. You know I break it down. Come on, man, you know it's Bain.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Bain Break It Down Forex. It's your boy Big Bain in this thing. You guys guessed it. Another week, another opportunity for us to make some money in the Forex market. Let's get right to it, all right? Boom. Over to the dollar, guys. As you can see, I'm expecting it to rise. It's as simple as that. We had a nice drop. Consolidated all month for the month of March, right? Finally got the breakout. A little bit of a pullback, right? Another break, another pullback. So we're going to eventually take that run up. We might drop a little bit to this demand zone that you guys see down here, but right after that, you can kiss the baby goodnight. All right. So on the dollar coming this week, I do expect it to rise. All right. Moving over to our dollar, and let's get it from the higher time frame. All right. 4 hour, guys. You can see I'm expecting the drop. All right, so again, had some push down, did a little bit of moving up, but when we're here, we should have, broken this high, and we didn't do that. Price, kind of gave us divergence, a bit of a rising wedge, and then it broke out of it, retest, and now we're going to get that drop on our dollar, guys. These are really, really good setups because they have given us everything that we need to see. So I'm telling you guys, don't miss out on our USD. All right. Bars. Here we go. So Euro USD, same exact thing, right? Had a nice little falling wedge. My team took advantage of the pullback or the breakout that it did. Falling channel. And my team took advantage of the breakout right here when it broke that channel. And we're probably still going to be able to get our take profit smash, right? As it pulls back to this level of supply, which is actually or has fair value gap right beneath it. So just want to show you guys that clearly here, right? So right there, you'll see that fair value gap is in there, and price most likely will go into that area to balance price out, and then it'll fall from there. All right. But on the euro dollar, guys, I'm expecting it to push up into this supply area. All right, we're getting away with 62 pips for a big time 538. Guys, I'm telling y'all, Euro USD is the play of the week. I mean, we got a bunch of them, but this is one of them. All right, so don't sleep. Euro USD, looking for the drop. All right, pound dollar, same exact thing. Y'all know your brothers and sisters already. All right, so again, nice break of the trend line, right? That was a rising channel. We broke out, retested. Well, really didn't retest supply, but we pulled back and we built up liquidity. We swept it, tapped into that fair value gap, and now we're sitting right below that supply zone. There is a chance that it can go up a little higher, maybe tap, the actual high before it drops. But, I'm taking my chance with a tighter stop loss of 27 pips, right, to make 238 or 231 on GU. Guys, I'm bearish, all right? New Zealand dollar, same exact thing as euro dollar, R dollar, and pound dollar. So I'm bearish on that as well. Expect to push up, right, next to supply, and then, balancing out that FVG, and then we're dropping to the downside. All right, bullish on New Zealand dollar. Over to dollar CAD, we got a nice falling channel, or falling symmetrical triangle. Actually, this is a wedge. This is a falling wedge. All right, so we got a nice falling wedge. All we need is price to pull down a little bit, tap into demand, and then take off from there. So I'm bullish on dollar CAD. All right, over to dollar CHF, and this mimics the dollar. So again, we had the dollar falling. We got up in this area, consolidated, all of March, and now, we're probably going to push down, balance out, definitely tap into demand, and then we'll be headed right back up to the upside after that. So again, 21 pips for 153 on dollar CHF, guys. As you can see, all of the majors got set up plays, right? It's textbook, right? The dollar's getting ready to rise, so we're buying we're selling non-dollar based pairs dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, New Zealand dollar. And then for the dollar based pairs, dollar CAD, dollar CHF, and most likely, well, maybe not JPY, but we're buying those. All right, so just know you got opportunities this week. Don't miss out. All right, here's dollar JPY. So we're not technically buying. I'm looking for it to rise now. So that's a good 63 pips, right, up to that supply zone. But right after we get into that, guys, I'm expecting a huge drop for about 314 pips to the downside. So again, bearish on dollar JPY. All right, pound odd, I'm bearish. Right, we got just a nice break of a structure over here, made this new high, and we've been failing to break above it. All right, so we got a nice change of character on the lower time frame. We pull back into supply, so now it's time to fly. Taking this short for about 274 pips to the downside with a 54 pip stop loss, bearish on pound odd. Pound CAD, same exact thing. I expect it to sweep this liquidity, tap into supply, and then drop for 333 pips, bearish on pound CAD. All right, pound CHF, same thing. All this liquidity built up, I expect pound CHF to push up, mitigate, and then again fall to the downside. All right, pound JPY. All right, so get a little lower, and you guys can see I'm looking for let's say 15 minute. All right, there it is. So it's a little mix. All right, it's at a major demand area, right, where it should rise. Okay, but it's also within like a small little supply area. So what I would need to see is price push up above this high to start buying GJ. But if it stays below this supply area, I'll be looking for my selling opportunities on the JPY. All right, pound JPY specifically. All right, so a little mix on GJ. Gotta wait till it actually shows me something, and then I'll be looking to take advantage of that. All right, pound New Zealand. Let's get higher. Okay. All right, so break of structure, got a nice run, nice pullback to supply. We should fall on pound New Zealand. Very, very good setup, guys. Looking at it on the 2 hour, we get a little bit more detail, but you can see the change of character here, and then the nice pullback. So trying to get away with 40 pips to make about 370 pips to the downside. All right, pound New Zealand looking good for the drop. All right, oil also looking good for the drop. My team already sold it, and we're up, see, over 100 pips, 100 pips exactly. Right, and I believe oil will continue to fall, at least getting to this particular low, hopefully down to where we have our take profit, but bearish on oil. All right, and now silver, guys. Silver gave the best setup, nice little double top here. Actually probably has divergence on it as well, I can just tell. And we got the change, we're getting the pullback right now. So coming into the week, it's going to rise first up into this area, and then right from here it's going to drop, guys. So look for your selling opportunity right here. Sell limits are the best options to take advantage, right? Have your stop loss set, take profit, and you don't have to watch the chart. The chart will do all the work for you. All right, bearish on silver. All right, our favorite, right, gold, and it looks a little bearish. All right, it's giving us triple top vibes. All right, see, it's failing to break above the highs here. So again, I expect a little push up, maybe to try to sweep any of this liquidity, and then push on down to this area where it previously broke. All right, so that is a $24 move. That's 240 pips on gold for just a $6 stop. All right, that's 60 pips. All right, so that's a 1 to almost 4 risk to reward, guys. Very good setup on gold. All right, bearish on it. All right, let's go to natural gas, and I'm bullish, right? I believe it's gonna get up to the supply area, but it may give us a little pullback here to this area before it does that. So I'm watching out for that pullback, but if it gives me the pullback, I'll be bullish up to the supply area, and then from there I'll turn around and sell it from the supply area right back down to whatever demand levels are created. All right, but bearish and then bullish on natural gas, guys. All right, now over to SPY. All right, So shout out to the squad for selling the indices this past week. I called a banger on US 30. Guys, go check out that previous watch list. It's on there. All right, US 30 had it for the drop, 1,000 points, and we damn near got 900 or so. All right, so you know, you might want to pay attention to this watch list. Okay, so again, breaking the lows right here, made a new low, did our pullback, and then we had our run. Right, so SPY most likely is going to drop a little bit more, probably take out this low, and then we'll start to see it reverse and go back up. So this week, you know, we'll probably make the rebound on these indices since they dropped so dramatically last week. All right, guys, moving over to NAS, and again, same exact thing, right? Shout out to my girl Nikki, right? She caught all of the drop, right, from the tippy top, but now we're coming, you know, towards the lows, so we may sweep them, and we might even tap into this demand level to the left, right? So it may get all the way down to this price point, which again, we're looking to either buy it from here if we get enough bulls, but we may need to, you know, we'll prefer to buy it from the very low and you know, catch it up to the imbalance in the supply area that sits right here. So SPY, I'm bullish. All right, I'm sorry, NAS, I'm bullish. All right, and here's the play on US 30, guys. Look at that. That's where we got in, and look at that, we got over 1,000 points on it, and it's still not, you know, near a take profit. We were aiming for 1,800 points, so we've already got 1,000 of that. It's just taking candy from a baby. All right, but now then we're going to take our money because we're, you know, nearing this level. Again, these are equal lows. I believe we're going to get a little sweep down right here into this demand area. All right, and from there, that's where we'll get our rise on US 30, guys. So again, just expecting all the indices to, you know, will push up this week, and you guys can take advantage of a similar move right to the upside. That's 736 pips on US 30. All right, so please get in there where you fit in, right? But that's it, guys. You know what I'm saying? If there's anything, make sure y'all come holler at me, Bain.com. Click on the link to join the Discord, and you know, make yourself a happy birthday. All right, anytime in between time, y'all know what it is. It's your boy. Peace.
Wanna get money? Wanna get paid? Master Forex, like a sensei? Then you know you gotta come and swing my way. And if you wanna fast forward, hit replay.